Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a watch face winner announcement to make. We had a few people that responded. DW gave me an opportunity to give some watch faces away. So with that being said, let's see who the winners are. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video, and today is a good day. We got some watch faces to give away by DW, and you know DW always gets down on creativity on these watch faces, right? They're really nice. Now, the name of the watch face that we're going to be giving away today is called DW22. I don't know if you remember it. I did a review on it. It was actually a great looking watch face, but I didn't get a chance to put it in the video because I asked about the giveaway a little late. So with that being said, he did get back with me and he said, listen, you can give away some watch faces. So we're going to give away watch faces to the people who responded, and we only had a few people. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to call up the names. Up front, I'm going to say congratulations and thank you for commenting. Thank you for being a part of the channel, and thank you for always sharing the love. All right, with that being said, thank you DW for the opportunity. Let's call out the winners. The winner for the DW22 watch face, the first one is going to be Jackie. Jackie, congratulations. You are a winner of the DW22. So is Daryl Gray. Also, we got OZ Bell and we got Kryptonia. Congratulations, you all. You all are winners of this watch face. I got, if I'm not mistaken, everybody's email already, but we will put it down at the bottom just in case you forgot. And we will email these watch faces to you. Again, thank you for your participation. Thank you for your loyal support. And have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your hump day. And I will see you all at the next video. So take care, have fun, be good, and most of all, continue to grind hard. I'll see you all at the next video.